Guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can close apps or multiple apps at the same time on the iPhone 13 series running iOS 15. So from anywhere on your screen, you want to swipe up at the bottom to the middle of the screen and hold for a second. And in here, it will open up the app switcher. In the app switcher, to close a single app, what you want to do is swipe up at the bottom. That will allow you to close a single app. Now to close multiple apps at the same time, what you can do is using up to 4 fingers and then close them all at the same time like this. As you can see, I can quickly close my multiple apps like that. And that is how you can close apps or multiple apps at the same time on the iPhone 13 series. Now, if you happen to open up an app, to close an app, you can swipe up and that will allow you to go back to the home screen. And if you open up the app drawers like this and you want to close the app switcher, so if you want to close the app switcher, just tap anywhere on the screen that is blank. So here, that will close the app switcher. And that's it. That's how you can close apps or multiple apps on the iPhone 13 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.